Here's how to change your Apple ID account name. Now, the first thing you're going to do is head into the settings on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And let me scroll to the top. You can first just change the name for your Apple account or Apple ID by tapping on your name at the very top. And there you can see is personal info. Just tap on personal information. And this will pop up with a bunch of information, including your name. So you can see here is my name. However, there are other places that your name exists that I'll walk you through how to change those as well. So let's tap on your name here, and you can see first, middle, and last name. All I need to do is change that to whatever I want and hit the check mark at the top right. Now, after you've done that, that will change this name associated with your Apple ID account. However, let's go back here and you can see payment and shipping. You can tap on that and you might want to change your name associated with your Apple Pay and your App Store. So you can see here payment methods, and under that is shipping address. I'm going to tap on that. And then here I can update my name as well, my first name and my last name to whatever I want to change it to. However, there are other places your name exists that you might want to change it as well. So let's go back out here to the very beginning, and then let's scroll down until you get to towards the bottom is apps. Tap on that, and then scroll down until you get to messages. Where is it? Where is messages? There it is. And now within messages, you can see if I scroll down, you can see share name and photo with your contacts only. And it will have your name and photo every time you text or call somebody. To be able to change this name and maybe the photo too, we need to head into the phone app. And the easiest way to do is to tap on contacts. Oh, let me tap on it again. And you're going to tap where it says at the very top, my card. Just tap on that. And there is my name. Again, I can change that name on here just by tapping on edit at the top right, and then editing that name to whatever I want. There's one last place that you might want to consider changing the name, and that is changing the name for your phone itself. So let's go back to your settings, and I'm going to go back to the very beginning of my settings. After you're at the very beginning, you can see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on that and then tap on about. The last thing you can see here is the name. This is the name for your iPhone itself. So if you connect to Apple CarPlay in your car or connect through Bluetooth or anything like that, it will show up with this name. So all you need to do is update this name to whatever you want. And now your phone, as well as your Apple ID and all those other places or contacts, all of those names will be updated.